Tesla had a nice day today. We closed at 346.60, up $6.59, 1.94% up. Post-market down just a little bit. So where are we in terms of our next buy signal on the daily chart? So the next buy signal is going to come after we break above 346.69. Yes, it would have been 335.73, but we had the fluke right here. So this is the new buy signal above 346.69 right here. Where did we close today? Where did we close? Look at the body of the candle. Look at the body of candle. 346.69. This is the resistance that we need to close above. Where did we close? 346.60. We are 9 cents off. Are those lines real? Yes, they are so real. It's unreal. So we are right smack on it. We have not closed above. What is happening right now is that we are making higher lows. The lows are climbing. So buyers are pushing the stock price higher, but the sellers are pushing it down right here at 346.69. This is what we have right here. So it's possible that we zigzag back to 320. It's possible that we zigzag like this. If we break, this is going to be a buy. It could happen tomorrow. It could happen in a couple of days. Nobody knows when, but this is a pattern that we see everywhere all the time. So on the daily chart, we are very close to be getting a buy signal. We need to close above 346.69. Once we are going to get, this is not a for sure sign that we are going to go to 480. This is not a sign yet. We still have other resistance that can bring us back. We have 360.65, a very important point. Before the big move we had, we stopped at 360.65. It's possible that we stop again. We have another layer, 372, another layer that we need to watch. After that, we should be good to go. So right now, you still need to manage the trade. If you get in tomorrow at the close, we still need to manage that trade. Let's take a look at the technical indicators. So stochastic over 60, way over 60. We have it at 94. This is fantastic to have it super high. We have the MI, and we also have our reversal indicator that turned bullish. So everything is looking good from the Tesla front. On the 1 hour chart, so today on Discord, we trade Tesla on the 1 hour chart on Discord. Last Friday, we stopped above 339.45. Boom, we closed above. This is a buy on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have way more resistances and supports to give us buy signal. It's the same rules. We need to be outside of a downward channel. This was the downward channel. And then we need to be outside of a congestion zone. This is the congestion zone. We need to have stochastic over 60. We need to have our reversal indicator, blah, blah, blah. We had everything on the last candle last Friday. Boom, this is the candle right here. It closed about 339.45. So today, it was still time to get in. The first candle closed a little bit higher, so it was still time to get in at 340. And then, boom, we had our target at 346.69. So the target was hit. So depending on what you put in terms of options, it was not too hard to make a couple of thousand right here. So this is all nice. Then, after that target has been reached, we went above the target. So this is another buy signal on the 1 hour chart. Another buy signal, we closed above 346.69. We closed here on this candle. At 12:30, we closed above. For the last candle of the day, we came back down, but the buy signal was given here on the 1 hour chart. Some of us took it, so some of us are still in Tesla right now. In terms of technical indicators, everything is super good on the 1 hour chart. So we'll see about this extended buy signal on the 1 hour chart. We already have one in the bank that gave us money. We have another one that is in play. On the daily chart, we don't have anything yet. We need to have a break above 346.69. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX. VIX is a little bit higher today. We are at 0.59 higher, but we are at 1480. So 1480 is pretty low, so no concern about this. Dow Jones. Is Dow Jones still doing okay? Because Tesla is up almost 2%. But the stock indices did not fare that well. So it is telling Tesla is outperforming the market by 3%. So something might be happening with Tesla. Dow Jones is down by 0.77%. Last Friday, we saw it. We had a break of 45,210. 45,210, very nice number. We could not close above since the beginning of July. And now, boom, we closed higher on Friday. Now we are pulling back a little bit. So it's okay to have a little bit of a pullback. And if I tell you the truth, we could be having a pullback down to the 21-day EMA, which would mean 44,782 or something like this. So a pullback today for Dow Jones. SPX, this one is already close to resistance. So this one is going to be hard to really break everything. So right now, this is also pulling back a little bit. And this one really likes the 21-day EMA. Look at this. Bouncing on it. Here, 1 day off, and then bounced on it. Here, bounced on it. So we are still bouncing on the 21-day EMA. So nice day on Friday. This is the green candle that we had on Friday. So pulling back a little bit, but we have not even pulled back. We have pulled back less than 50%. So this is still pretty strong. And our reversal indicator has turned bullish on Friday. So everything is looking good for a continuation. Right now, we just need to break this 6481 threshold. NASDAQ had also a little bit of a pullback, very shallow pullback. This is not scary. All of our indicators are good. This one needs to break 23,595. Russell, we broke above 23.25 on Friday. Now this is the second day that we are pulling back. Nothing too dramatic also. We are way above 50%. This is all good. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So yes, everything is pretty much red because things are cooling off after what happened last Friday. So nothing to be afraid of. This is just a pullback. This is part of the noise. This is part of the noise. Let's take a look at cryptos. So Bitcoin, okay, this is not good. We had 111,940 right here. This was an upper limit. This was a resistance. Boom, we broke it. This was a buy. We bounced on it. And now we were bouncing. No stochastic over 60. This is always dangerous. So if you see stochastic under 60, be careful. We had stochastic below 60 right here. So this was a concern. But support held and we bounce. Here, support is not holding. So short term on the daily chart, Bitcoin is going down. So I would advise you to take profit now because Bitcoin has been going higher and higher since it has been going higher and higher. Then started to go sideways while still going higher. So this was not a concern. The concern happened a little bit when we started to get outside of the bullish channel. This is the bullish channel support. When we got outside here, it was not too bad because we were into this bullish channel. Yes, stochastic was under 60. It was a concern, but it just held. When we went outside of the bullish channel, it meant we are no longer going higher. Bitcoin is no longer going higher. It's just going sideways. It's okay to go sideways. Things can go sideways for a while and then resume. But this one was going sideways and then broke support. So my advice, you do your own research. This is not financial advice. It's not the time to buy Bitcoin, of course. And I think it's time to take profit. And then we can get back in later on. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is doing a lot better. So on Friday, we had this big green candle, fantastic, stopped at 48.57. And during the weekend, it stayed pretty much up there. And today we are having a move down. We are still into our congestion zone. So Ethereum is still going sideways. It's still going sideways, and at the same time, this is the bullish channel that we are in. So this one is good. This one is good. There's no problem with Ethereum. We are still into our bullish channel. We are going sideways within the bullish channel. This is all good, and it could go down to 4,091, and it would not be bad at all. It could even get outside of the bullish channel and still it would not be bad. It would just be going sideways. So you can now appreciate how good Tesla's day has been. Everything is pulling back. Tesla is forging ahead. We are now stopping at 346.69. If we break that tomorrow and stay above tomorrow until the close, then we are going to be talking on the daily chart for a new buy signal. And on the 1 hour chart on Discord, we already had one today and we have another one that's still in play. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.